puffy clouds.
Good thing there's the sun.
Yeah,
Sun is up.
sun is always important. Even if it's -10, it's still nice. Still nice to have it on your face.
Slow down here. Finish your story before you laugh.
Remember, I sent you with the group. I said a couple.
What is that?
I said a couple. I said a couple videos.
That's really nice, that video.
I didn't watch yet.
Huh?
No, I didn't
It's a
watch.
cat. It's jumping around in the snow.
Yeah, that's gone. It
Yeah.
disappears.
In the snow? Because of too much
So deep.
deep? Oh, really? I didn't
Because
watch.
it's so deep.
Go for hiking. We're here in Bow Lake.
Honey, let's go there first for the...
No, forget that. Just go on the path.
Oh yeah.
There's a path that goes up there.
Oh, there's a lodge here. Cabin.
Yeah. No, it's land lang. Ano, tabi ni...
Oh. Hello. Hi.
It's another day for a hike with this beautiful view of Bow Lake and mountain. These are true. Ay, pusaka. Kaya Ate Edwina, ang galing.
Ano dyan? Wala.
Ano, hindi na makaalis si Peter.
Peter?
Are you okay? You stuck? Because mabigat siya eh. Honey. Don't go there. Why you go there? Why you go that way?
Because he want to make a path. Good thing he's wearing
Honey,
snow
you're
pants.
heavy. That's why. Oh! Honey, where are you going?
Where you going there?
Doon sa bindaanan natin.
Ay, doon na lang tayo. Mas okay doon sa kabila eh.
siya.
Honey, you're heavy. Come back here. Go the other way.
Come there.
Almost there.
Honey, over here. Come here.
Take an hour to get out of here. yeah. Just do it.
That's what we did. Eh.
Ako kayo dyan na.
Oh, dyan na, mami.
Kasi yung eyes, di ba?
Yan oh, ang ganda oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano na lang yung napakan nila, be?
Hindi. Lulubog ako nga. Lumulubog eh.
Ate, sundan mo yung napakan niya.
Peter?
Oo, para lubog na.
Masyadong malalim yun.
Ha?
Uy.
Hindi na ako baka.
Woo! Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Hindi ka umabot sa 8.
Ay. Saan?
Ayan, tinusundan pa yung ano ni ate.
Nagalim po sa Tinan mo, hindi Peter eh. Tinan mo, laki na no. Kulay blue ah.
Kaya,
Glacier yan.
tubig yan eh. Yata.
Ay!
Ay.
Make sure nandyan pa yung ano nyo. Yung plates nyo. Yung plates nyo nandyan pa sa sapatos nyo.
Yeah.
Ang dami din.
Ha?
Yan po. Dito oh.
Ay, kape!
Honey, I'll go ahead. Yay, we made it!
Here, we made it.
Masyado ako sa Alright. Yellow ah.
We're back. We made it. Yung kanina, di ba? Oo.
Huh?
Comedy. Napapaload ko di.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's deep.
Ah, don't go there.
How about them?
Saan yung dumaan? Saan sila dumaan?
Lalalim. Let's go other path.
Oops, honey, malalim. What do you think, honey? We still go? Whoa!
My shoes is there.
Oh yeah. Hang on to the string, honey, if you can. Okay.
No, baka tayo lumubog. No, it's okay. Iwan na lang yan. Wag na. Hayaan na lang. Oh, water na eh. It's okay. Let's go.
There's your shoe.
So it's not safe.
Sige lang.
Hindi, nalagyan na nga ng tubig eh.
Plus your shoes.
My shoes! My shoes! Oh my god!
Right here. In the middle of
Look at my shoes!
lake.
It's over there! Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
No, honey, just leave it.
No.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, don't step there again.
Let's go back.
Here's your drink. Oh, we have to. There's no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the sign.
Like,
That's a sign,
This is the
honey.
sign.
Next
Yeah.
week we'll bring our
Yeah, yeah.
snowshoes.
It's no shoes.
Yeah. If we had snowshoe.
Yun, na-stuck si Jean yung shoes niya.
Naiwan ba, Jin?
Oo, hindi daw makuha. Let's go back na. Hindi na safe.
It's other. Lamig na yan si Jin. Kailangan niya mag-ano. Yun, wala kang sapatos na? Naglalakad ka na walang sapatos? Wala. Oh, bilisan mo na. Mamaya. Mano yung paa mo?
Kaya nga.
Documentary talaga si si Louie.
Yan, pabalik na po kami.
Balik na kami
Hanggang doon lang kami sa gitna.
sa gitna.
Lubog na kasi eh.
It's dangerous.
Yeah,
Not safe anymore.
it's not safe.
Si Ate Uwi na, parang nabulutang lang.
Oo, magaan si Ate Edwina eh.
Kanan ka na ba ako?
So si Louie, ano nangyari kay Louie? Nandun pa.
Bilis, Bessie, si Maricoy. Yung paa masakit. Papagpagpagpag ko ako. Alam, hindi ako medyas. Eh, doon pala
Tama ba yung dinaanan natin?
Oo. Let's just keep going.
Doon pa lang ako kanina. Puno ng yelo eh.
Bilisan mo din. Ay, sa bahay na yan yata.
O yun nga nilabasan natin kanina. Yung... O, upo ka muna dun sa upuan.
Sinupo ka din muna, oh. May ano ako dito.
Warmer yun, be.
May warmer.
Yeah. Ate Edwina, oh.
Isang taon na pas. Tingnan mo sila.
Pares naman tayo. Pati kayo, di ba?
Lahat din yung
Dito na lang, medyo omni ito. Stories to tell, right?
Let's eat.
It's a good experience. Nalubog ang lola mo.
Dito na, meron pa ako siyang rubber. Tingnan mo.
Wala akong dalang shoes talaga.
Yan na yan.
Itultan talaga.
Grabing pagkain yan para tayong piyesta. Mukha ng Maricoy. What's your experience?
Ano kuya, pag minamasyal talaga kayo, ganito kayo lagi?
Oo.
Pagkain, ha?
Lagi kayo.
Ha?
Kami din nung
Hindi kami nag-ano, ano. Talagang yung makasama namin, matinding kainan talaga.
Oo.
Ate, how's your first experience? Hike
Excited.
experience?
Kaya pag nagtatanong kami anong araw ang alis.
Para mapag-prepare.
I-advance ko na ako.
Oo. So kung bakit kayo parang in charge sa ano?
Hindi, lahat nagdadala. Kung sinong magdala.
Dadala ka rin pero ako kasi, kami kasi di,
Nakasanay mo na.
sanay kami na nagluto.
Ako lagi din ako nagdadala.
Ako
Hindi
kaya
ako
ko kumain
maka-
ng
ano na-
pagkain ng puti lang. Naawa lang ko ate Edna.
Ano yan, nabidyohan ni ano? Ano masasabi mo?
Well, actually, this place is awesome.
Ate Edwina! Marikoy!
Nagbibideo rin siya.
Ay, nagmanga busy. Vlogger. Vlogger. Konti lang tuloy video ko.
Mamaya ko itatay.
Tabunan mo lang, pwede na. Ano nga?
Malulubog na naman. Bago naman sa pataw.
Ay, utot ako pare ko eh.
Lakas ang tulog.
Uy, ang ganda dyan. Picture ako kayo.
Oh, kasasabi lang daw uulitin. Inulit na naman eh.
Picture. Picture ako kayo.
Please.
Ate! Ay, kayo mo dalawa. Andito na rin lahat ako eh. Aray ko!
Bilisan mo. Kain yung hangin.
Louie, picture! Picture lang ito dyan. Spread your wings. This is a bow lake.
Welcome to Canada.
Say hi. Hello guys. Picture. Picture. Ate.
Picture ah.
Picture and video.